Hello, everybody, and hello, ma'am. So, I have recorded this video as a part of the 5-day live online workshop done by Nandini Alagar for content writing. And to be honest, I was attracted to her post because of all the advertisements that she had given and posted on Facebook. I mainly went through Facebook, and I think I did a very good work. Uh, I mean, I'm very happy that I had joined this workshop because I got to learn many things from just in these 5 days. And I'm not a blogger or a content writer as of yet, but I believe that I'm a very good writer, but I did not have a way of earning. But because of her these 5-day valuable lessons, I would say, I have gained a lot of knowledge, and I'm definitely going to implement them, sorry, in my further upcoming works and projects, and definitely would like to open a website of my own. So thank you, ma'am. And she has also given us very good life lessons and some really good tips, including tools and various other formats of writing and writing styles, and how to write, in fact, or even bring out yourself in through words, you can say. So thank you, ma'am, so much for the valuable lessons and contents that you have taught us. I would definitely recommend this to everybody who's watching this, and also to my friends and colleagues, because this is something which has a lot of power as a, you can say, career, or even as a part-time business, you can say. So thank you, ma'am. Thank you once again.